Welcome students, we are given a set of choices. We are expected to get the right choice. So you can pause the video and try the question out, then come back and check out the answers. Okay, so I hope you all have got the correct choice. So let us see what the correct choice is. Foremost, we know the series expansion of cos x, and that is going to be 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial positive x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial negative x to the power of 6 over 6 factorial positive etc. Now if you observe the question, we are expected to find the correct connectivity for integral 0 to 1 x times cos x dx. So we are given this particular symbol greater than equal to. On the right hand side for cosine expression we have this. So what I wish to do is foremost I would apply the same operation integral 0 to 1 x times cos x dx, because I already have cos x for the expansion listed here. So it is easy just to apply this operation. So if I were to apply this operation to the left, I get this, and to the right I would get integral 0 to 1 x times of 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial plus etc times the dx. Now this is an infinite series, so I can either drop terms or I can add terms. That will not hamper the outcome of the series. So I would like to have this as integral 0 to 1 x times of 1 negative x squared over 2 factorial times dx. This is further rewritten as integral 0 to 1 x times of 1 negative 2 factorial is just going to be 2. So I have x squared over 2 times the operator dx. So this is greater than equal to integral 0 to 1. This is x times 1 is x, negative x times x squared is x to the power of 3 over 2 times the dx. Now this is greater than equal to integral 0 to 1 x times dx, negative integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 3 over 2 times the dx. This is greater than equal to, you integrate this, you get x squared over 2, the limits are 0 to 1. You integrate this, you get x to the power of 4 divided by 4. 4 times 2 is 8, limits are 0 to 1. This is greater than equal to, you apply the upper limit, you get 1 over 2. No need to apply the lower limit because it's 0. You apply the upper limit, you get 1 over 8. So this is greater than equal to 1 over 2 negative 1 over 8, which is greater than equal to, the LCM is 8, 2 divides 8 4 times, 8 divides 8 1 time. So 4 negative 1 is going to be 3 over 8, which is greater than equal to 3 over 8. On the left hand side you have integral 0 to 1 x times cos x dx. So the correct choice is actually the one which connects integral 0 to 1 x times cos x dx greater than equal to 3 over 8. So that is the solution for this question. So it's a lovely question which is actually different from the original thought process. Okay, so let me move on to the next one.